What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing kind of a creative Halloween makeup look. I had a suggestion last week to do kind of a spooky makeup look, so I'm gonna try to do my best and see if I can pull it off. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna be doing the spooky pumpkin jack-o'-lantern look, so if you want to see what that looks like, then stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I've got you pretty far zoomed in. I think the first thing I need to do is kind of conceal my eyebrows. It's not gonna be a huge deal, but I also want to protect them from getting stained from some of this face paint I'm going to be using. So I'm going to do that first, and I'll just speed through that process. There are lots of tutorials on how to do this, so if you want to know how I do it with details, then let me know down below, but otherwise I'm just going to kind of run through it. So here we go. Okay, now that the brows are somewhat concealed, I didn't spend too much time on them, but just so they're a little protected from this orange paint that I'm about to put everywhere. So I think that's the first step. Honestly, I've never done this before, so I'm just going to do my whole face orange, and then after that, I'll do details. I think that would be the thing that makes the most sense, so let's just get to it. I think I'm going to avoid the eyes because I'll be going around that area with mostly black anyway, so here we go. Okay, so now that I'm thoroughly orange, I kind of made my own little setting powder, mixing some orange eyeshadow with some just translucent powder. So I'm just going to kind of pat that everywhere, because I don't really want this to be super shiny. Okay, so now I need to figure out where I'm going to have the pumpkin lines coming down, and then I'm going to shade those in with a darker orange shade. I wish you could see my shirt right now. I'm going to have orange everywhere for a long time. And then don't mind the hairline, because I'm going to shade that in as well. So one step at a time. So now I'm going to go in and just kind of map out generally where I want the lines to be. So I think I was going to do one in the center, but I don't think so. See how it's starting to create that shape? See how it's starting to create those pumpkin lines? Maybe I will do one down the middle. Okay, and then the next step is to go in with like a brown shade and a smaller brush. And I'm going to keep shading and shading until this looks right, so don't be scared. Now that I look crazy, I'm going to go back in with that darker orange shade and just blend those lines out. Okay, I'm going to go in and add the lines now, which is the scary part. So I'm going to be looking closely at my mirror, and then we'll do the eyes. Okay, the lines are done. So I'm gonna paint my eyes black, just a general shape, and then I'm gonna do some more shading. So I mean, the eyes look crazy, but the beauty of a jack-o'-lantern is they never turn out perfect anyway, so I'm not gonna fret too much on that. I do think I need to set this with some black eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that really quick, and then we can work on the mouth. So I think for the lips, I'm not gonna do like traditional jack-o'-lantern lips because that's not my style. So I'm gonna kind of just take my own lip shape, extend it a little bit, and kind of make it spooky in that way. Okay, I'm not done with the mouth, but I'm going to go work on some more shading details. Well, I guess highlighting now. So, let's see. I'm going to go in with like a light orange and pop it in like where normal high points would be, like right in the center. Now we're gonna create kind of like the lines from the lips. Something about this makes my teeth look super white, but okay, here it is. I look insane. I feel like this would be cool if I had like cool like black contacts or something, but you know, you could always just like pose for pictures with your eyes shut if you want to do the whole jack-o'-lantern thing. But other than that, I feel like I look crazy. But anyway, yeah, it's just a lot of shading. I don't know what else to say. I think I did okay for my first attempt at something like this, so you'll have to let me know down below. But other than that, let me know if you'd like to see any other spooky makeup ideas or anything else Halloween related for the rest of the month. I do think I'm going to do another like Halloween themed makeup look. Maybe not as scary as this one, but you get the idea. I wanted to get this one out though because it was requested, so again, thank you. But other than that, let me know what you guys think, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.